In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink Gmail from Close CRM. This process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few simple steps. Whether you're switching accounts or just need to disconnect your Gmail for privacy reasons, I've got you covered. So let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Close CRM platform. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the Close website. Once you're logged in, you should see a user-friendly interface that helps you manage your customer relationships efficiently. Now, let's move on to the next step. Take a look at the left-hand side menu and you'll notice an option labeled Settings. Click on this to access the Settings menu. This section allows you to customize and manage various aspects of your Close account, including your email connections. Once you're in the Settings menu, you'll need to locate your email information. You should see an option titled Connected Accounts. Click on this and it will take you to a page that displays all the accounts currently linked to your Close CRM. Now, find your Google account within the list of connected accounts. It should be clearly labeled, making it easy for you to identify. Click on your Google account to proceed. This will bring up more detailed options specific to this account. At this point, you should see a button that says Remove Account. Clicking on this will initiate the process of unlinking your Gmail from Close CRM. A confirmation prompt might appear to ensure that you want to proceed with removing the account. Confirm your choice and the unlinking process will be complete. And there you have it. Your Gmail account is now successfully unlinked from Close CRM. This will disconnect all associated email syncing and integrations between your Google account and Close, giving you the freedom to manage your accounts as you see fit. Just to recap, we navigated to the Close CRM website, accessed the settings from the left-hand menu, found the Connected Accounts section, clicked on the Google account, and finally selected Remove Account to unlink it. Remember, if you ever need to reconnect your Gmail or link another account, these steps can easily be reversed. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to reach out for help. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy managing your CRM with this newfound knowledge.